Hey traders, and welcome back to the channel. When purchasing a FundedNext account, getting to know the dashboard, it's a must. So I'm here today to guide you through it. Let's take a quick look of your FundedNext dashboard to make sure you're all set to start trading from day one. So first of all, when you arrive in your dashboard, you'll see multiple things. So you have accounts to right here FAQ. And what you will see is that right here you will have your active accounts. So you can click on your active account and this will be your account overview. So your account overview, it's like a comment center for your trading account. So as you can see right here, you have your account details with your login, your password, and the server that your account is on, with as well the account size and the account type right here and the challenge phase. After that, you have your stats. So you will have your balance, your profit/loss right here with the percentage in gain or in loss. Then you have your floating loss and your trading days. And then right here in the bottom, this is your objective. So basically the rules you need to respect to pass the challenge. So as you can see right here, you need to respect your daily limit loss. As you can see right here, we are now good for that. Then you have your overall loss limit. So then you can keep track on how much you are able to lose before losing your account. Then you have your minimum trading days. So this is the minimum trading days you need to trade to achieve your account. And then right here you have your profit target, that is in this case 10%. So we are now 5% away from the profit target. Then if you need any help, you have right here the support to FundedNext, and right here on the bottom you have a little icon that if you click on it, you can straight away send us a message to ask any of your question and we will answer you really soon. Next, check your inbox for our welcome email. Here we provide really useful links to guide you through your trading journey. This email is packed with the most important links and details for you to get started. So trust me, reviewing it will really help you and save you a lot of time for your trading journey. Then if you have any questions, the FAQ right here is your best friend. So this is where you can ask all your questions and find the answers about the rules and the different challenges. Then before you dive in as well, make sure to read this article about what are the restricted and prohibited trading strategies that are in all collections, trading rules and guidelines, and it's right there. So basically these are the big no-nos that you cannot do while trading on your account. So if you respect those rules, you will be trading stress-free without any other issues. While you're here, make sure as well to read our terms of service. So this basically ensures a smooth and really honest experience for everyone. You can find the terms of service with this exact URL, so fundednext.com/terms of service, or in the bottom of the website exactly right here under privacy and policy. Now to the fun part, withdrawals. So right here you have your payout section in your dashboard with your payouts. So when you are eligible to receive a payout, you can request your payout and it will appear exactly right here. So you have your withdrawable profit, your pending amount, and the disbursed amount exactly right here. And the most important part is that when you request a payout, we ensure you that you will get your payout under 24 hours after the request. If not, we will send you a $1,000 extra on top of your payout for completely free. So make sure to review this section when you're ready to take home your hard-earned profits. So that's it, you're all set to start your trading journey with FundedNext. Remember, success comes to those who are prepared, so stay informed, follow the rules, and aim high. If you need us, we're always here to help you, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them. And now go ahead to crush the markets, and don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.